how to set any audio as Android ringtone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. As you do that, here tap on the ringtone option, and as you do that, you will be able to see there will be two other options of choose local ringtone or pre-installed ringtones. So I'm going to select on choose local ringtone over here and then tap on the music option. So here let's choose a random song over here. I'm going to select on one of these, and then as you tap on it, tap on OK, tap on apply, and it's applied successfully. So let's check it, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.